Alright guys, so it's a holiday season and we don't know say everybody I go party, everybody I go feel good, everybody I go feel nice. But I have some tips to share with you guys to keep you safe over this season. So stay tuned. What's up guys? So holiday season, everybody, well, let me start it this way. It's a holiday season and as we know, Jamaica is like the party capital of the world basically. You see me? Jamaicans love to party, Jamaicans love to drink and all of them things there. So I want to share some things so you can keep safe and enjoy the holiday at the same time. So how would this a smarty wig drop off? How would the blood? I try to enjoy it out. So I want you guys to bear this one thing in mind through the whole video. Assume that everybody is drunk. Assume that everybody is drunk and intoxicated. And when you assume that everybody is drunk and intoxicated, you as a biker will basically traverse the road in a safer manner. Because if you see one car right over there, so he has a blouse and skirt, we assume say him drunk and intoxicated, we are going to stay far from him. You see me? We're not going to take certain risks and go too close and so forth. You see it? So now that we assume that everybody is drunk and intoxicated, the goal for us as bikers is basically to ride to see the new year coming and the new year after and the Christmas after and so on and so forth. So over the holiday season we know that a lot of parties are going to go on, bike shows, this and that, and people are going to want to drink them little liquor, people are going to want to feel nice and thing. Now, one thing to bear in mind, there will be a lot of frustration on the road as well, because you have certain times of the year, like for example New Year's, there's going to be more people on the road, right? New Year especially. Christmas, people like to spend Christmas at home or with family and so forth. But you see, New Year's people like to go out, right? People like to go to firelight, what's something the name? Fireworks. And people like to drive out, maybe go to the beach, maybe go river, and them thing there. That's New Year's. Christmas, you might not see as much traffic on the road, or you might not see as much people on the road. Let's not say traffic, but people, right? You might not see as much people on the road because people just want to celebrate Christmas with them family and enjoy them time and thing. But just be aware that New Year's is usually the time when most persons choose to go out and enjoy themselves and thing. I am not saying a man can't enjoy himself, I'm not saying a man can't enjoy themselves, but if you ride a bike, there's no reason for you to be drinking to the point where you can't even see the road. You can't even think properly. You see me? No reason of that. I mean, yeah, you want a whole vibe, yeah. But a man if you know him limit and say, yeah, alright, I'm calm now because I bike me alright. I have seen guys who basically ride bike and drunk. I mean, I tell you, the mercy of God make them not dead. I tell you, and them live them there right now if you tell the tale. You see me? Them there right now if you tell the tale. Be water always there when you start. Go over here, so I'm up on the wrong side. Now, one thing to bear in mind. You see, if you know certain places where there will be parties, the number one best thing to do, take your time. Because if this is a community per se, and I know so one party I keep right around the corner, there's no way for me to go in balls out, balls to the wall on the road. But I know there are gonna be a number of people on the road. You see me? It don't make no sense you ride fast and you know some people there down the road. If you want people to see you, the best thing to do is to slow down. Best thing to do is to slow down. Anyways, I cut out the wheelie them out of the video, guys. So when I watch the video, you only going to hear on the bike rail up, and you're not going to see the wheelie them. Or I might just blur the wheelie them, because YouTube has been kicking my ass about these wheelies, guys. Anyways, I'm even afraid to mention the word wheelie, because when you mention the word wheelie, oh my god, it come like YouTube just can't just say, yo, strike. You see me? So as I was saying before, back to the topic. Past Brandon is a while ago. Back to the topic. If you go down the road, or if you know the parties are keeping a certain area, or even if you're there far, you know, you don't know if a party is being held somewhere, right? And you're there far down the road, you see a gathering of people. Take your time. Take your time. You see me? Take your time and go through. So here are some things to note. You see, blood, nah. How this? Rebel boss? Rebel boss? That's alright, brother. You see, I know new tank this. Oh! True, me see this. And the sticker look like it did a long time.
You know, say machine this dog.
I know new shocks that.
It's a second hand bike my Andres.
Oh. Oh. Wait, is that second hand bike? Oh, you get papers with it? Happy for you, brother. Me happy. Eh? Yes, sir.
Just pay 160 grand for you.
That is it. That is it.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah, dog.
So, they are supposed to make video. Me go take test ride on bike. This lady a freak. Oh man. No. It's still too soft, brother. It's still too soft. Yeah. It a dry, no? It a grab, but it can grab better, brother. Bomba. Yo, that got be mad people up on the road now, brother. Bomba. drop back a little bit Panda one day. Yo, me not gonna further though. But anyways guys, I just want you guys to be safe. Remember, there will be a lot of people on the road. People will be intoxicated, right? Driving under the influence, right? DIU. And it's up to us to watch out for these things. You know, even us bikers will be intoxicated too. But a man is his own big person, and a man must know what is his limit and when him fi go easy on certain things. You dig me? So guys, if you guys want any safety tips or any biker tips, I have a playlist on my channel. You can go on the homepage and you'll see, scroll down and you'll see a bunch of playlists. I think I organize them. I put everything for there. You see me? So you can go through and, you know, watch videos that you like or videos that you want. A lot of times some people ask me some questions and about some videos, or like them ask me certain thing like, yo, how you license your bike, and I have videos on the channel that show how to license your bike. Enough time, if you search how to license a bike, you'll find a video on the channel about how to license a bike. So yeah, that is that. Yeah, this is St. Mary guys. Rivers and everything. I need some WD-40. Me know. As I was saying, yeah, just keep your eyes open during this season, because there will be accidents. There will be, and it doesn't make sense. You may attack or watch the video. It doesn't make sense you are a part of it. You don't need to be a part of it. So do your part not to be a part of any accident. You see me? But anyway guys, thanks for watching. If I didn't mention anything, any tips or anything, share them down in the comment section. You see me? Drop your tips down in the comment section on how you can stay safe over this holiday season and thing. So manners and respect, I will continue the journey. I'm out.